You're watching Minimation World TV. Please like, share, and subscribe for more fun adventures. Welcome back, Minifams. Today, Seraphim and Kurt are exploring the wonders of our sky. We'll visit the sun, moon, stars, and constellations. Ready for an exciting adventure?
Hi, Minifams. Today, we're taking a closer look at the incredible things in our sky. From the sun that warms us to the moon that lights up our nights, and those twinkling stars that have fascinated people for centuries. We'll even explore constellations that tell stories and guide us. It's going to be an amazing journey.
That's right. We've been on adventures across the universe, but today we're focusing on our own sky. We'll see how the sun powers our world, discover the moon's secrets, and connect the stars to form constellations. Get ready for an adventure that's close to home, but full of wonder.
First up is the sun, our solar system's powerhouse. Its energy is crucial for life on Earth and keeps the planets in their orbits.
Wow, look at the sun. It's a massive ball of hot, glowing gases. It's primarily made of hydrogen and helium. And inside, nuclear reactions are constantly happening. These reactions produce a tremendous amount of energy that travels across space and reaches us as sunlight. That's what gives us warmth and light every day.
Absolutely. The sun's energy is not just vital for light and warmth. It also drives weather patterns and supports all life on Earth. Without the sun, our planet would be a frozen, lifeless place. It's amazing to think about how one star can have such a powerful effect on our world.
The sun is 93 million miles away, and its light takes 8 minutes to reach us. It's been shining for over 4.5 billion years, and will continue to do so for billions more.
And did you know that the sun is a middle-aged star? It's been shining for 4.5 billion years and has enough fuel to keep burning for billions more. It's like a giant furnace in space, constantly producing energy.
That's right. The sun is in the middle of its life cycle. It's fascinating to think that it's been around for so long and will continue to shine brightly, providing light and energy to our solar system.
Next, we visit the moon, Earth's only natural satellite. It's been a part of our nights for centuries, with a surface marked by craters and scars from meteoroid impacts.
Check out those craters. The moon's surface is covered in craters from meteoroids that have collided with it over billions of years. Since the moon doesn't have an atmosphere to protect it, every impact has left a mark. It's like a record of all the space rocks that have hit it.
And because the moon has no atmosphere, we can see these craters so clearly. There's no wind or weather to erode them, so they've remained just as they were when they were formed. It's like looking back in time.
The moon's gravitational pull influences Earth's tides and stabilizes our planet's tilt, impacting our climate. It shows the same face to us due to tidal locking.
Did you know the moon affects our tides? Its gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating the rise and fall of tides that we see at the beach. It also helps keep Earth's tilt stable, which is important for our climate.
And let's not forget the moon's role in lunar eclipses. When the moon passes through Earth's shadow, it can turn a beautiful reddish color. It's an amazing sight that reminds us of the moon's unique place in our sky.
But that's not all. The moon goes through different phases as it orbits Earth. These phases, new moon, crescent, first quarter, gibbous, and full moon, change the amount of the moon we can see lit up by the sun. Each phase is part of the moon's 29.5-day cycle, giving us a changing view every night.
The phases of the moon are like a dance in the sky. From the thin crescent that appears after a new moon to the bright full moon lighting up the night, each phase has its own beauty and significance.
It's so cool how the moon's phases affect us on Earth, from the best times for planting crops to the timing of traditional celebrations. The moon really is a powerful and mysterious part of our world.
As night falls, the sky fills with stars and constellations. These patterns have guided explorers and inspired stories for ages.
Look at all those stars. Each one is a sun, and some are even bigger and brighter than our own sun. The stars are scattered across the sky, and when we connect them with imaginary lines, we can create pictures known as constellations. It's like a giant celestial puzzle.
Exactly. Constellations are patterns formed by connecting stars. They've been used for thousands of years for navigation and storytelling. For example, Orion the Hunter is easy to spot with its 3-star belt. It's been a guide for explorers and sailors throughout history.
Constellations like Orion and the Big Dipper have been crucial for navigation and cultural stories. Orion is known for its belt of 3 stars, and the Big Dipper helps us find the North Star.
And look, there's the Big Dipper. It's part of the constellation Ursa Major, or the Great Bear. The stars in the Big Dipper form a shape that helps us find the North Star, which has been a key navigational aid for centuries.
Every culture has its own stories about the stars. The constellations connect us to our ancestors and their myths. It's incredible how these patterns have inspired so many people throughout history.
Stars and constellations are more than just points in the sky. They're part of our shared history and imagination. Our sky journey is ending, but the wonders we've seen are unforgettable. From the sun's power to the moon's craters and the stars' stories, we've explored so much.
What an incredible adventure! We've explored the sun, moon, and stars and learned so much about how they affect our lives and shape our world. It's amazing to think about how everything in the sky is connected.
Absolutely. From the sun that gives us light and warmth, to the moon that influences our tides, and the constellations that tell ancient stories, the sky is full of wonders. We hope you enjoyed this journey as much as we did.
The sky is always there, full of stories and secrets. Keep exploring, mini-fans, and stay curious about the universe. Thank you for joining Seraphim and Kurt on their sky journey. Stay tuned for more adventures. Please like, share, and subscribe for more fun explorations.